In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation form in WordPress. This is a great way to streamline the process of accepting donations directly on your website, and it's quite easy to accomplish. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where everything begins, as it's the central hub for managing your WordPress site. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and find the Plugins option. Hover over it, and you'll see Add New. Click on that to navigate to the plugin installation page. Now, we'll be looking to find a suitable donation plugin. Start by typing Donation Form in the search bar, and press Enter. You'll see a variety of plugins that can help you facilitate this feature. Select one that has good ratings and reviews. For this tutorial, let's choose the GiveWP plugin. It's one of the most popular donation plugins available, known for its ease of use and functionality. Once you've found GiveWP in the list, click Install Now. After a short moment, this button will change to Activate. Make sure to click on it. This activates the plugin and makes it ready for setup on your site. The plugin should now be visible in your WordPress dashboard on the left sidebar. Hover over Donations, and select Add Form. Here is where the magic happens. You'll be taken to a new page to start creating your donation form. Begin by giving your form a memorable and clear name to easily recognize it later. Following this, you'll see the Donation Options settings where you can specify donation amounts. You'll be presented with a plethora of options, such as setting predefined amounts or allowing donors to enter their own amounts. It's generally a good idea to offer both for flexibility. Now, scroll down a bit, where you'll see the Form Display options. Choose a display style that aligns with your website's layout and theme. Once your form settings are configured, it's time to save your work by clicking the Publish button. This finalizes the creation of your donation form. But how do we get this form onto your website pages or posts? Navigate back to Donations and find your new form listed there. You'll see a short code next to it. Simply copy this short code. Finally, decide where you'd like this form to appear. Maybe it's on a specific page or post, or perhaps even in your site's sidebar or footer. Head over to the page editor for the section you've chosen. Paste the short code into the desired location, making sure to preview and ensure it looks good. Once you're satisfied, hit the Update or Publish button to make your changes visible to the public. And there you have it, a functioning donation form integrated into your WordPress site, ready to facilitate donations seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful WordPress tutorials.